Yo, what's up guys, RichKitch20 here, and we are back with Shadow of Mordor. This time, we are going to go for the hunting and survival challenges. We are going to try to complete all of them, and I don't remember, I think there were rats over here. I don't remember, but the good news is we only need one of them. So there you go. There we go, right there. Hunting challenge completed. Another one done. New challenge, ghouls. I don't know what those are. God, these guys lag behind. Alright, so since we got that challenge done, let's look for this one. That place does have some pipeweed and some of that stuff, so let's head towards the gate part, because I believe that's what it's going to be.
Just because we haven't seen Look, there's been a murder. Swear I heard him breathe.
Ah shit, they all saw me. See ya. I don't want to fucking be ya. Alright, I'm just gonna keep running. There's some pipeweed right over there. That'll finish the pipeweed part of the mission. Alright, pipeweed's done. Now we just need the Lothrond, or whatever the fuck it's called, which is in this domain. We just need to find it. There it is. There's some Lothrond. And we should be able to get into these. Oh. Yeah, y'all don't be noticing me.
I never want to have to be at the Udun outpost again. Me neither.
Let's see.
Slaves being transported to there. You're right. They all get moved elsewhere.
Must be down here. Yeah, down below. Oh, son of a bitch, you see? Bruh. Come on, bruh. Down in here. There we go. Yeah. I remember seeing it when I came in for the artifact and shit. There's some elf shots. Down here, right? There you are. Alright. There we go. There it is. Another one done. Another survival challenge done. New challenge to the reds, to the blues. That sounds easy enough. Alright, we got reds and blues in here. We do. We're also trying to kill ghouls. I don't remember where the ghouls are, if I'm being honest with you. I feel like one like ghouls on this bitch. So we gotta find some ghouls. We also gotta find some of that blue and green, or blue and red. This blue and red up in here. I don't remember where that quest was that brought me to all them ghouls. I'm gonna come down here, I guess, just because I can at least get the survival ship, if anything else. Yeah, I have no idea where those ghouls are located at. So we see some red over there. Let's go grab it while we're here. Is there any ghouls in this cave? Up in this bitch? That's human. What's up, guys?
We're free!
What's good? Some of these. I can never hit these. I always have to shoot them. Any ghouls around here? Any chilling? Oh, I squished it. Yeah. Any ghouls? Yo, some ghouls up in this bitch? I guess not. Oh, hey, what's up? No, it's me. Alright, the red little herb is this way. Excuse me? I told you to kill him. Why are you not killing him? Alright, hey, what's up, guys? You guys wanna... That's why there's so many archers following this guy.
You're hardly worth my time.
It's like, why is there so many fucking archers? Don't mind me. Don't mind... Oh, fuck, got hit by something. hate of burns. I don't like being burned. Well, I killed all your archers, my friend. What are you gonna do about it? Oh, fuck. Shoot me. That's what you're gonna do about it. Oh, he has a no chance ability?
You never stood a chance.
Oh my god, this guy just made me his bitch. Oh my god. Well, hey,
What are these towers of silver?
They are like
we got just straight fucked. Is there red and blue over here? There is indeed. Let's go over here and see if there's any ghouls in that cave. Oh my god.
Guide us in the land of shadow, where other lights may fail. Pale reflections of the light of the true trees.
Oh, there's a blue one over here. Let's go for that. It is kind of dark. Is there going to be any ghouls now? I could use some ghouls coming out. Yes, that's what Kyle's talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's right. Ghoul me, baby. Oh, is that a fucking matron? Is the challenge gonna update? There we go, there's some more. Oh my god, this Karagor. They weren't fucking around. Okay. Yeah, I think the challenge is definitely completed. Let's go. Alright, sweet. I think that bitch is gonna call a matron, so we need to run as fast as possible. 3 bats. I know exactly where to find bats. Any cave. Pretty much any cave. Is there any bats over here? No. Okay, but pretty much any other cave I can find them. So we found one of the blues. Let's go looking around for some more while we're here. Might as well, except that Karagor is just chilling. We also need some of the reds. I need to get up because this Karagor is going to go ham sandwich on me, and I don't want that at the current moment. Oh, there's another blue. It was that the blue I was supposed to get? I just forgot. Pretty sure it's that one. Oh my god, Karagor. No, I got a different blue. Alright. Got 2 of the blues. Oh my god! Karagor. Karagor, we were friends once. You once called me your brother. Oh my god, dude. Get the fuck up. Okay, so we need 2 redders. And there's some greens around me. Red stars. If I didn't get just pure fucked by the other ones, this one would just be a lot easier to find. I'm not really looking about where I'm headed. I'm just looking at the map, so if I run into something stupid, like, that's why. Excuse me, I don't have time for you right now. I'm gonna need y'all to leave me the fuck around. I already did my business with you. There's one. I dead Mart. Oh god, Karagor. Karagors don't care if you did your time. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright, y'all, continue your own business. I'm gonna find one more of these reds and head for a cave so I can deal with these bats. God, I just picked the right place for those ghouls, man. I don't even know. I kind of guessed it too. I mean, I was like, I know there was one place where it was Ghoul City, you know, and I guessed right. That makes me happy. I need one more red little 3-finger thing plant, and we'll be good. Whoa, whimpering, baby. I don't whimper no shit. Alright, that's the place I'm entering. Got any red? Where am I? I forgot how to find it. There I am. Yeah, it's got some red. There it is. There's the red right there. Perfect. Man, that's gonna give me some good amounts of stuff up in here. Very nice. How much did I get per each of these? Okay, 1 blue, 2 yellow. those. 150. Fucking teen. Let's look at my. Oh, yes, please. I'd like some of that. And I guess, nah, fuck it. I gotta go for health and shit. More shots. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see. Yeah, we got a good amount of those. Alright, so we're gonna go for the bats. I'm sure one of these caves down here will suffice for that. I'm pretty sure I saw some of this one. Even though that guy just beat the fuck out of me over here, I think this will be a good place for bats, so. Though it is still dark and rainy and shit. So maybe bat time is not what we're looking at right now. Do I need yellow ones? No. I need some of the whites to the yellow eyeballs. So yellow eyeball opening. Excuse me. Oh no! Surprise! Any bats up in here? Oh no, it was just. Yeah.
Now's our best chance.
It was just light. I thought it was a bat. I got excited. Nah, I don't think there's any bats up in this bitch. Alright. Well then. Y'all do you. Some elf shots up in here. 10 elf shots. What I'm talking about. Yeah, I guess there's no bats. I could kill all those guys, but I mean, you know, they're. I don't have a Caragor, dude. Fuck you smoking. Okay, I don't think we're gonna find any bats in the rain, so let's go hunting. This place has some of the blue eyes. Oh, I don't need blue eyes, I need yellow eyes. Y'all got me some of the. Oh, yellow eye up here. Let's go up this location. Alright, see you. Keep an eye out for some of them blue. Oh, here's one of these blues. I need one of these blues. One or two of these blues. And there's two over here, so there you go.
They say the dog can just come out of nowhere and make a kill.
One? Yeah, one of those. Sweet, I got one of those. So now we need some of them eyeballs. Them eyeballies. Scullies, as I like to call them. No, we don't need that up anymore. There's another one we need. And two of the eyeballs. Fuck yeah. Now we just need one more of the blue starfishes, or whatever the fuck they are. Man, you guys are so mean. Alright, where is it? There it is. So there's yellow stuff. Nifridril. Huh, and the throat. Oh, don't mind me. Just gonna farm up. Alright. Need one of these whiteys over here. I would unleash that guy, but I'm pretty sure it would go right for me since I'm right in front of it. What's up? I have no time for you. Come on, give me this. Don't mind me. See ya. I'm outie. Audi 5000. Probably gonna have to advance time if we want to stop raining. Which is what we really needed to be dark and raining for the ghouls, but now that we got the ghouls, we really fucking don't need it to be dark and raining up in here. This place still got the. This place doesn't have the white little starfishes. So yeah, let's go over here. Yeah, there's one right there. Perfect. Another survival challenge. Like a book. Oh, there's ghouls down there. Something. Yeah, it looks like ghouls. Alright, another survival challenge complete. What are we looking at here? Blue milk. Malthus. Malus. Blue milk and Malus. So there's some blue milk up in here. Let's see how many would close to being done with that fucking dick over there. How dare you show me him? What kind of insult is this? Oh shit. Alright, should be over here. Okay, we're 4 of 10 done. My god. Probably gonna have to take a break here after these, or maybe even before these. Man, I'm getting my back starting. All right, 60% complete with the game. Very nice. So I need some of them blue eyeballs. So we need to head in this general direction. I also need for it to stop fucking raining. There's a blue eyeball right over here. There's grog as well. Let's try not to get his attention. I don't feel like trying to bleed out a grog right now. So we need 4 of those, and oh, there's one of the yellow ones. The grog. I think it's on top of here though, so we're good. Or it's not, but either way, I can go around top of here to get to it. Yeah, it's below me. Stalking grog quietly. Oh my god, it's going to town on them caragors. See you. I'm just gonna keep looking at the map here while I travel. Oh my, he's getting stomped out. We're still on the section we need to be. Yes, this place will still work. It's about time we start making some real motherfucking money. I don't know what just made me think of that. That's fucking hilarious.
I hear the Gravewalker likes to blow them up if you give him the top.
It's true, I do tend to enjoy that a little bit. He's not lying. Alright, let's get inside this cave. Which I think is a cave. It's a cave, right? Oh. Yeah, it's a cave. I just can't see the entrance. There it is. What's up? What's good? Scared the fuck out of you or what? He is freaking out. Don't mind me. Oh man, I should have done the unlimited executions when that guy. I just didn't know that guy would 2-shot me, you know? So, I mean, now that I'm thinking about it, that's what I should have done, but again, I didn't know that the guy was going to 2-shot me.
The bread they fed us last night was full of maggots and tasted like dirt. How can we survive on that? I'll eat anything I'm fed at this point.
Well, maggots got to give you some source of protein or something. I don't know. Oh no, yeah, I don't need yellow. You don't know that. There's another blue. No, I'm getting some pretty good XP for this. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir! I was actually trying to tackle him, but I guess I fucked that up. There's no goddamn bats up in here. Oh, got some motherfucking bats or some shit. And y'all supporting the brother. Yeah, man, I don't know where these fucking bats are. The house? I had no idea.
Some of us still need hope.
What's up? Y'all free. Liberation. God, yeah. Yeah, no problem. Y'all free. Get out of here. Alright. So, I think we still need 1 milk. Yeah, 1 blue milk and 1 malus. Great. And bats. Okay. Nope. Oh, nope. Oh, no. Run. Everybody run. So angry. That's shit.
Get that slime!
Who going for this lake? Y'all better stay the fuck back.
Stop me!
Ah, that's some blue milk. Sweet. Alright, just 1 malice now. We're rolling good.
Hardest working pink skins I ever saw.
Pink skin. That's fucked up, man. You be counting no pink skin. Is there any stuff I'm looking for over here? Yeah, some yellow here. There's not some yellow in here. Yeah, it's behind us. So run towards the wall. No, wrong way. So yeah, the direction I was heading. Yeah. There's some yellow up in this bitch.
Badly put together.
Yeah.
I heard. Blacksmith tossed him into a pit, and the Beastmaster let a growb loose on him.
Oh, that doesn't sound like fun. Alright, give me some yellow, baby. Give me some yellow. Ain't no yellow, bitch.
Good.
Get away from me, bitch. I'm just gonna go on a killing spree, don't mind me. Oh god, it's Grog. There's yellow, right over here. Run for it. And we're gonna have to advance time up in this bitch, because man, it's just taking too damn long to find these bats. And I think it's because it's all dark and rainy and shit, because you saw how many bats I was seeing before, man. So many bats, man. New challenge. Elegant and Earthbred. There's both of that here. Actually, I think it's two. Is that? Oh no, someone else. Yeah, we're good. Let's see. 150. That's what. Oh. Let's see upgrades. 680. That good enough? That's good enough for some health. Hell yeah! Up that health, baby. 20 more points of health. Alright, so now we're going for the second tier. Send that 1,000 each for these focus. And more elf shots. 1,700. But you know, that's all good. Let's see what we're looking for here. Oh, wait. We're looking for the green, red stars and green finger toe shit. There's in the green finger toe shit.
Oi, tell us again about how you killed that raging thing.
Excuse me?
I ain't giving you the satisfaction.
Man, y'all ain't no leaders. Y'all ain't kill me. You high insects. Ah, shit. There's one over here. By the Grog. I didn't mean it. I did not mean it. Oh god, he's so angry! So angry! It's right here. It's right here. It's right here.
That big skin is cunning.
He's mad. I get that. I get that. Bro, you mad? I get it. I think we're good. Okay, we need to fast travel and advance time. I mean, I guess we can advance time without fast traveling, but we need to get out of there. That is it 11 or 10? It says 10, right? Yeah, 10. I thought I had 11. Now we need to advance time a little bit. Yeah, these guys get strong and shit. Hope that it's brighter now. There we go. And what ones we go for again? Okay. Green, red, green, red. Oh, red of that one, not a green of that one. So. Okay, where are we at? We got none of the ones we need up in here. But there is both over this direction, so let's head over here. I guess we're doing a lot of these right now because the bats are kind of hard to fucking find. You know. Once we find one, we can get rid of that. It's white. Or in the right area, so I'll just keep searching around here until we can find one. There's some greens, 2 greenies over here, that's what I like to see. It's on top, or is this it right here? That's it right here. This little potato-looking fucking thing. Alright, need one more, which is right up here, and then we need 2 more of the red starflower shits. Sorry, Karagor. But last time I set one of you free for no reason, y'all just started to beat the shit out of me, so...
That captain is tough as steel. But
Oh, he's on me.
picked up in the air and dropped into the ranger.
No, I'm not here. And y'all didn't see shit. Seeing a lot of green one of these. I'm not seeing a whole lot of red one of these. And there are reds in this new place I went into as well. So... Oh, what's up, guys? What's up? I don't want to play right now, though. So... Y'all just chill out over there for a while, okay? Alright. Sounds dandy. Don't mind me, just, you know, do my little thing. Okay, we need one more of these. I don't know where that is. Is there some up here as well? There is, so we'll keep heading upwards. Maybe find something good up here. Who knows?
Ground broke loose and now someone... I don't take it a mouth.
Now someone's out, teacher. What? He did not finish his sentence. Alright, we need to look for some red and any bats, but I doubt there's any out here. The only ones I've ever seen.
Who's good at hurling spears can spend all... Did you hear that?
You've been liberated. I ran into him and hit him, and he's like, "Oh, he's been liberated with my fist."
What was that shouting earlier? It
I don't
sounded
know.
like someone got on Tarnaluk's bad side. One of the slaves shoved him into the fire, and his rope went up like a torch.
I'm not seeing any of these, man. There's gotta be somewhere around here somewhere. Is there a cave up here? I think there is, so I'm gonna head that direction. Oh, there's one. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We might kill both 2 bars with that one ass stone. Oh no. Click this real fast. Beautiful. Number 6 out of 10. We're getting close. Yeah, what's up? Don't mind me. Y'all free now.
Thank goodness.
Yeah, you're welcome. Shit. Alright, we need to go left here. I don't know if I'd go up there if I was you. There's nothing for you to get, but hey, you do you.
Wait.
Spear! Oh shit! Oops. Oh, those bats! Oh my god, those bats! Two bats. Just 2. Just get 2. Ah, I got all 3. Hell yeah! Oh, good. It's a fucking Karagor! Kill 1 grog. That's easy. That's easy to do. Well, I mean, I wouldn't say it's easy to do, but I can do it. I mean, they're easier to find, I'd say. I don't say all the time. I just gotta run around for them. So we're on both Hunting Challenge and Survival Challenge 7, which is awesome. Let's see. We need some alpharin, some of that yellow, and some of that white. We got some of that white down here. And we got none of the yellow. So I guess we'll head. Oh, I guess we'll just head over here, see if we can find a grog. I could get the kill around here somewhere, and look for the white stuff around here as well. I mean, it's pretty hard to miss a grog on the map. It's pretty big, so it should be easy. I love how we have 1 person over here.
After a battle, I need food and grog. Instead, we get nothing but a lot of noise. What was that noise?
And y'all don't know shit. That's a Karagor. Yeah, over there. I mean, what's above a grog? Like, what's the next survival but that? Oh, there's a white one over here.